Hello, everybody. This is Matt Dyer, and I'm going to give you a quick overview of my new favorite Spark called RecAIpe. It's AI powered recipes. So we're going to go ahead and say stir fry with tofu and ginger. Put whatever ingredients you want, and then you'll get a amazing recipe which you could probably find on your own if you wanted to. But what I think is really cool about this is that you can see a couple of things that I really like about this. We'll actually show you in the app. So we'll go ahead and save it. We're going to make this. So it starts out and it gives you the all the ingredients that you have to go shopping for, and so you can go at home and see which items you already have. Quarter cup water, got that. And then then you go to the store, pick everything up, and now this will all be checked, and you can say I'm finished shopping. And now look at this. Each of these steps has the actions you take, but instead of having to go back and refer to the ingredients list, it tells you right in the body of the recipe what the actual measures are. And if that's not enough, just as you go through and check everything off, you can see exactly where you are, but it has these embedded timers so that you can say a little 5-minute timer going right there. And if you have dueling timers, that also works. So go ahead, give this a shot, and let me know what you think. Thanks.